Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Guys, I know it's the second video of the day, but I just got these in off the truck from Bear Son, brand new knife design, and it is the Piranha, guys. I got them in India Stag, and I got them in the smooth white bone. We're going to take a closer look at them over here on the table, but these are just an awesome, awesome knife. Lockblade, the main blade is a Lockblade, and they are 440 stainless steel. I said 428C steel over here on the table. You'll see what I'm talking about, but it's 440 stainless. There they are in smooth white bone. Again, the main blade locks. But anyway, guys, they're hot off the truck. I just put them up on my website. We got 5 each. 5 of the India Stag and 5 of the smooth white bone. I'll tell you the price and everything over here on the table. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for all the support. We're fitting to go over here on the table and take a closer look at them. But again, they're on my website right now, dailybladerecon.com, dailybladerecon.com. Thank you again for all of your support. Okay, guys, look what I just got in off the truck. FedEx trucks just left. This is the India Stag Piranha locking blade. There it is right there, guys. That's got the Piranha on the blade. It's made by Bear Son. This is their new knife design. Brand new. Again, that main blade locks, and this is the little blade here. Ain't that cool? Beautiful, beautiful knife. And guys, here is a smooth white bone. I have 5 of each. They're $110 on my website right now. And they're just fresh off the truck. They just shipped them out yesterday. And I got mine today, and they're up on the website. Be the first to grab one. $110 plus taxes and shipping, of course. They retail for $124.99 at Bear, but we're giving you a little break at $110. A beautiful, beautiful knife. Again, there's no Piranha on this main blade of the white bone. This is smooth white bone. But there it is right there, guys. Be the first to grab one. They're on my website right now. Guys, jump on over there because they're not going to last long. 5 each of these beauties. I love them. I really do. And again, guys, these are going to be my Ellaville knife show, but I'm not telling you what handle material I done chose. He said that he could do it, so we're going to run with that. That'll be coming out soon. I'll let y'all know more about it when it comes closer to the Ellaville Knife Show. November 14th, 2026. Hope to see y'all there. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much again. God bless each and every one of y'all. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good Bear Son knife. Stay sharp.